Hey there, this room is called Intro to Offensive Security. Task 1, hacking your first machine. Click the Start Machine button in the top right hand corner. Your screen will split into a split view of the browser, and you'll use this to hack a fake bank application. We will use a command line application called GoBuster to brute force the fake bank's website to find hidden directories and pages. GoBuster will take a list of potential pages or directory names and tries accessing a website with each of them. I'm going to scroll to the top to click the Show Split View button. Now you can see my screen is split. The fake bank page is loaded. The first step is to open up our terminal, which is also known as the command line. And there's one at the top that allows you to open up the terminal, as well as on the right side there's also a terminal icon. You can choose either one. I'm using the top one. Click it to open it up, and if you have a look at the screenshot shows Ubuntu, a TryHackMe desktop, and if you have a look on ours, it says Ubuntu TryHackMe desktop, so we're on the right track. So you type GoBuster -u http://fakebank.com -w wordlist.txt and directory dir, and it's running. You can see already it's found a directory called images and a second one called bank transfer. Here at the bottom, just to highlight and indicate where the answers or the directories found pop up. If I tack on the images directory found, it says 404 page not found. And if I try the other one, which was bank transfer, we are given a staff account admin portal. Scroll down and check the steps. We've already completed that. We've received our directories, hack the bank, and transfer $2,000 from the bank account to your bank account. So this page allows us to steal money from any bank account. Let's go ahead and do it. So we're transferring from the bank account 2276 and we're sending it to the account number 8881. We enter that in and the amount is $2,000 like it states, and hit send money, and it says success, transfer has been completed. The question says, when you've transferred your money to your account, go back to your bank account page. What is the answer shown? So if I remove the tacked on directory, which was bank transfer, and go back to fakebank.com, there is your answer. Bank hacked. Task 2, what is offensive security? It is the process of breaking into computer systems, exploiting software bugs, and finding loopholes in applications to gain unauthorized access to them. To beat a hacker, you need to behave like a hacker. Task 3, careers in cybersecurity. Cyber careers room goes into more depth about the different careers in cyber. However, there is a short description of a few offensive security roles. Penetration tester, responsible for testing technology products for finding exploitable security vulnerabilities. A red teamer plays the role of an adversary, attacking an organization and providing feedback. Security engineer, design, monitor, and maintain security controls, networks, and systems to help prevent cyber attacks.